there. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you searching for the best water purifier for your home? Well, you've come to the right place. Please subscribe and press the bell icon below. That will help to motivate us to create very useful videos like this one. Do you or your family members frequently suffer from waterborne diseases? Does your drinking water smell like rotten food, looks polluted, or tastes salty? Don't worry. You are not alone. All you need is a good water purifier. RO water purifiers are an excellent choice for almost all Indian homes. RO, reverse osmosis, purifiers are so popular in India that the term RO has become synonymous with water purifiers. In combination with technologies like UV, UF, and MF, RO water purifiers remove all commonly found impurities. Reverse osmosis RO purification is the most reliable water purification technology. Multi-stage RO purifiers can quickly remove water impurities like mud, sand, bacteria, viruses, excess dissolved solids like calcium, magnesium, and heavy metals like lead, arsenic, etc. You can easily buy an RO water purifier online or from your nearest home and kitchen appliances store. But buying the right one is often not that easy. Hundreds of models, from several brands with different purification technologies, make it quite challenging to find the perfect water purifier for your home. You may want to check out our detailed water purifier buying guide first to learn more about what to look for before buying a new water purifier. Buying a new water purifier for your home has to be a well thought out decision, as your family's health depends on drinking pure water. Which is the best water purifier in India? We spend hundreds of hours researching to come up with a list of the top 10 RO water purifiers that are perfect for every Indian home. If you also have the same question in mind, this video will help you find the best water purifier for your home, right now.
you.